Now nth term of linear sequence. So if we considers if is nth term of sequence behaves like a polynomial, then what will happen? So first of all, linear sequence, let Tn is given by an plus b, that is where n is equal to 1 2 3 dot dot dot. So what will happen? So let sequence b, okay, so sequence b a, and if we I write 1, that is a plus b again, and again 2a plus b, for 3 3a plus b. If we write n is equal to 1 2 3, so 4a plus b, 5a plus b. So take a common difference. So what is here? That will give you a. Here is also a first difference, okay, first difference, first difference. So what is here? First difference is a. Here is also first difference is a. Here is also first difference is a. If any if any polynomial have or any sequence have a common difference, that is will give you constant common difference. So this will give you nth term of an plus b. For example, any sequence 1 3 5 7 9, this can be written. So what is here? Now write 1 3 5 7 9, okay. So what is the first difference? This is sequence, this is sequence. What is here? First difference is 2. Here is also first difference 2. Here is first difference 2. Here is first difference 2. Here is first difference 2. So what will happen here? A, here if n plus b, if we take n plus b, so common difference will be, our fixed difference will be your, or first difference will be your a. So here a is directly can be written as, okay, 2. Now we have to find a plus b. So what is the first term in this sequence? 1. And what is the first term in this sequence? That is a plus b. That is a plus b should be equal to first term, that is 1. So, and we have already found that a is equal to 2. So that is a 2 plus b is equal to 1. 2 plus b is equal to 1, and b is given by 1 minus 2, or therefore b is equal to what? B is equal to minus 1. So therefore Tn, general term, okay, general term Tn is equal to an plus b, that is a is given 2 and n, and plus b, that is minus 1. So 2n minus 1. So what will be the general term of this sequence? General term of this sequence will be 2n minus 1, okay. Now quadratic, nth term of quadratic sequence. So if we have given any quadratic sequence, that is Tn is equal to an square plus bn plus c is given, then put n is equal to 1 2 3 4 dot dot dot. So what we get here? Sequence we get. So here if we put n is equal to 1, so this directly give you sequence a plus b plus c, and again if we put 2, that will give you 4a plus 2b plus c. If we put 3, that is 9a plus 3b plus c. If we put that is 4, that will give you 16a plus 4b plus c. And if we put 5, that is 25a plus 5b plus c. So what is the first difference? Okay, first difference, okay. So first difference gives you, that is 3a plus b. Second, first difference from this, what we get, that is 5a plus b. Next 7a plus b. Next 5a plus b. So again, so this is not a common difference. Okay, so in each difference there is a separate but not constant. So now check for a second difference. Okay, second difference. So for second difference we get 2a from this, 2a from this, 2a. So now what we can see here, that is for the quadratic, if nth term have a quadratic, then second difference is constant, that will give you 2a. For example, for understanding, let consider any sequence. So that will give you an square plus bn plus c. Now sequence. So what is any sequence? Consider that is sequence is, let 6, 11, 18, 27. So for the let nth term, okay, tn is equal to an square plus bn plus c. So for this, what we can write here, 6, 11, 18, 27. So first difference. So first difference will give you, that is 5, and it will give you 7, and this will give you 9. So what is the second difference? Second difference is 2, and again this is 2. So what we see, that here 2 and here is 2, that is constants. So in this sequence, what is common difference in second difference, that is 2a. So we can write here 2a is equal to 2. Okay, 2a is equal to 2, that is 2a, 2a, 2a. So this is 2a is equal to 2. So we can directly can that 2 by 2 is equal to 1, that is a is equal to 1. So in the second difference, in the first difference, here is 5, and in this general formula, this is 3a plus b. So we can write here 3 plus b is equal to 5. So now put this a is equal to 1. So 3 into 1 plus b is equal to 5. Therefore, or b is equal to 5 minus 3, that will give you 2. Therefore b is equal to what? 2. Now in the sequence, first term is 6, and in this sequence first term is a plus b plus c. So what is a plus b plus c is should be equal to this first term, so that is 6, and we have already found that a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2 and c is equal to what? So c is equal to 6 minus 3, therefore c is equal to 3. So what we have in general term, tn is equal to an square plus bn plus c. So what is here? A is equal to 1, so 1 square plus 2n plus 3. Therefore general term tn is equal to n square plus 2n plus 3. So this is the easy method for the calculation of nth term of the any sequence. We can also find that what will about the tn is equal to an q plus bn square plus cn is equal to d. So for this, similarly calculate in this way. Put the n is equal to 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 up to 5, that or 6 2. So what will be the sequence and what will the formula? So calculate. So this is the actually, it behaves like a it has a characteristics of polynomial. So if the degree if the degree of n or highest power is 3, then their third difference will be same. And here it is a quadratic, or power is degree 2, so it has a second degree of second difference is 2. And here it is power 1, so first difference is constants. So in this way other sequence and sequence can be determined by using this method. So it is easy to apply formula. So try this. For these types of sequence, first of all you try these types of sequence. Okay, now sum of the terms of a sequence. So what is, if suppose any term any sequence is given 1 5 9 16 15 19, so these types of sequence can be directly added. That is, if we write here s5, so we have to add number of terms 5, that is 1 2 3 4 5 up to these terms, that is 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 9 plus 11 plus 15. So this is the s5. If we write s infinity, then in this situation this can be written as, so after 15 more elements should be added or it goes to infinity. So these types of written can be s infinity, or if this sn. So what about the sn? So 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 11 plus dot 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 plus n up to n. Okay, up to nth term. So that what will be the general term, what will be the 4n minus 3. So what will be the notation? Sigma notation. So how can written in this sigma notation? So sigma notation of this sequence. So if general term is tn is equal to an plus b, so what will be the common difference for this sequence? 1 5 9 11 15, so that is 4 4 4 and 4. So a is equal to what? 4. And again a plus b should be equal to 1, that is 4 plus b is equal to 1, or b is equal to 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3, therefore b is equal to minus 3. That is what? So general term is given by a should be equal to 4, that is 4n, and b should be minus 3. So this is the general term. So how it be written in the sum of terms is? So what will be the sum of terms is? So the sum of the terms is, okay, sum of terms is equal to summation n is equal to 1, and that is sn. Okay, sn is equal to n is equal to 1, and n goes to up to, let's suppose 5, so it can be written. And general term what is here? So general term is written here. So this is the sigma notation. Okay, any sequence a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus dot 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 a3 plus dot dot dot, that is s5. Okay, up to a5. So s5 can be written as, this sequence is written, series is written as, that is summation k. Okay, n is equal to 1, this goes to okay, or k is equal to 1 and this goes to 5, that is ak. Okay, so this is k is equal to 1 2 3, where k is equal to 1 2 3 4. So this can be written as, this is the sigma notation of this series. Okay, so there are some worked out examples I will discuss in the next video. So some I will solve some problems based on this sequence and series. So I will discuss in the next video. Okay.